In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to mark a no-show on Calendly, a comprehensive guide for 2025. First, let's get started by heading over to the Calendly website. In your browser, type in calendly.com and you'll arrive at their homepage. A simple, user-friendly interface makes navigation a breeze. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the site. Clicking this will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account details. Make sure your username and password are ready. Input your credentials to gain access to your Calendly dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for managing all your scheduling needs. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into workflows. Workflows in Calendly automate the process of handling different meeting scenarios. On the left sidebar, there's an option labeled Workflows. Click on it. This is where you can see all the workflows currently established for your account. If you're handling multiple types of events or meetings, this feature will be particularly useful. With the Workflows pane open, you'll want to click on See All Workflows to display a complete list. This is your one-stop shop for managing and viewing every automated task you've set up through Calendly. From here, you might notice an option to create your own workflow. Select this to begin customizing a new workflow tailored for marking no-shows. As the next step, choose the option to create a follow-up workflow. This is where the magic happens. For the trigger, select After Event Ends, which means this action will take place once your meeting time has concluded. As for the action, you'll want to set it to send an email to the invitee, an essential notification keeping your invitee in the loop. Once you've set your trigger and action, hit the next button. You'll be directed to a section titled Do This, where you can edit and tailor this part of the workflow. Click Edit here, and from the options provided, choose No Show. This selection automatically tags the meeting when an invitee doesn't show up. Finally, review your setup to ensure everything's just the way you want it. Once satisfied, all that's left is to hit Done, and your workflow is now live. Congratulations! You've successfully automated the process to mark no-shows on your Calendly meetings, saving time and streamlining your scheduling efforts. With these steps, you're equipped to manage absent invitees efficiently and keep your calendar organized. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.